How to install a HKS intake on a Celica GT-4. First, remove the airbox cover, then remove 3 10mm bolts. 2 inside the box and 1 outside of the box. Next, remove the wiring harness retainers. Use a flathead and pry slowly like this. There's 2 of them, 1 on each side. Now the stock intake box can be removed. After that, install the HKS intake tube. Tighten it down with the stock clamp. Put the HKS filter on. Tighten the 2 worm clamps and pull on the filter, making sure it's snugged. If you plan on running an aftermarket blow-off valve, install this blocking plate if you are connecting to the stock blow-off valve. This plate is not needed.
I don't know. I don't know what it's for. Let me know.
Last, connect the blow-off valve, vacuum hose, intake temp sensor. And you're done.